Yes, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do proper YouTube automation niche research so you can start your channel and actually get views and earn money with your channel, guys. So let's dive straight in. We did 6 parts before this one on terms of like how to actually do the research. And today we arrived at the last part, and that is a very boring but necessary one, which is your Excel research sheet. So in the last 6 parts, I've been showing you how to do the actual research, and then I had you make a list with all these keywords in it, channels and the links to these channels. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you put everything together and actually decide what niche to go with. So what you should do at this point, when you have like around 20 of these channels in here, you did some digging, you've seen what you like, what you don't like, what's working now, what isn't working now. You should go ahead and start checking the search volume and the competition score. So as you can see here, in these rows here, it says search volume, competition, number of channels posting the same topic. So let's say this channel here is an NBA channel. So you start looking in vidIQ for NBA. This is from last video's research. So you do NBA, you go to like NBA, the volume, the highlights, like just check how the competition is and what the overall score is and how attractive it is. And then just put it in these columns right here. If you do that for like 4, 5, or even 6 channels or more, you can do it for all of them if you want. You can start seeing what might be the best choice for you in terms of highest chances of success, looking at search volume and competition score. One example I wanted to do it with is with movie recaps. We covered that in our last research method. So obviously movie recaps can always be an interesting thing because there's always new movies coming out, right? So what I would do for this one is just like, for example here, look which big movies are coming out. Let's say you want to start a channel in the movie recaps niche, right? The people you want to target here are in general people who are like the audience watching is general people who like to watch movies and are up to date on the latest movies that are going to come out. So if you just search something like, let's say it's like February now, you're going to start your channel this month and you want to have like your first videos posted in March or something. Then you just have to look which videos there are going to come out in March. So let's say in this case, Guardian of the Galaxy 3. And then you can start making videos about this, like recaps from movies of the volume 1 and 2, funny moments, things you missed, weird facts, and also, or like things you have to know before part 3 comes out, right? And if you start making videos like this now and post them right before this actual movie comes out, you will have the like best chances of success to get into the algorithm by hopping on the trend of this new movie coming out, right? You would still have to do like the research for it, obviously. We can actually check the volume now already, see if it shows something. So let's see. So now there's not a lot of search volume towards it yet. Here, this one shows over 1 million though, Guardians of the Galaxy 3. So this is obviously a super long keyword string. So that might help too, to make that shorter. So James Gunn, DC, Heroes Reforged. So yeah, let's do it in Google Trends too, just to see what happens. And because maybe we can already see the search volume is going up, hopefully. So it's peaking here a little bit. I don't know how it was for the last few movies. Maybe we can see it. I don't know if a movie came out in the last 5 years. So let's do Guardians of the Galaxy instead. Yeah, so probably at these peaks, movies probably came out. I don't know the exact data on this, but you can see that the graph is growing here. And I can bet when that third movie is coming out, it's going to be peaking around this level again too. So that's a way you can jump on this trend. And then again, when you are looking for this here at the related topics and related search terms, you can see like what people are looking for and what you can make videos about. So this is how I would go over deciding on a niche once you've done the actual research. Check the search volume, check the competition, check competitors' channels in that niche, see if it's not too saturated, and then make an analyze and research decision about what channel you are going to start, or what niche you're going to start your channel in. All right, guys? that was for the niche research. If you apply all of this and you watch the like 30-minute long video I made about this whole file, how to do it and how to actually take the action steps, you're gonna be very good. You're gonna be like, you won't be picking a niche based on what someone else said, but you will actually have done the research and have the highest chances of success of actually finding a good niche that will get you views, that will get you money in the long term, and that is not too saturated. And yeah, it just increases your chances of success when you do the actual research like this. All right, guys. So again, I'm going to share this file with you with all the channels we've been researching the past few videos. If I get over 100 likes on this video or any of the other niche research videos, make sure to like and subscribe because there's a lot more info on YouTube automation coming. All right, see you in the next one.